We got picked up an easily accessible meeting point and drive about 40 minutes to the site in an air-conditioned passenger van. Sally, Diego, and Gabriel were our guides throughout the tour. All three of them were great at communicating with the group of what to expect and kept us all safe. I felt like I was with family with them. I would suggest that you are at least moderately active for this hike. It's not easy but so worth it. Pictures do no justice for what you will see and experience on this tour. Rappelling was fun. This was my first time and I did great. Ziplining back down the mountain was relieving after the hike. I wore activewear shorts and top that dried quickly and water sneakers. I wouldn't recommend the water socks. It was nice having some grip and support on the rocks. Lunch was so good. Natural chicken, rice, beans and flan. I've never tasted a flan in the States that I liked and this was 10/10. Shout out to Waylaw. Overall 10/10 experience. It's so beautiful there. This was an amazing adventure. The tour guides were friendly and amazingly helpful. I was the only lady in a group of 10 men and they took their time and assisted me when needed. You do need to be in some decent physical shape and I recommend water shoes that have grip. I also recommend gripping gloves for the waterfall rappelling, it can be a little taxing on your hands. I have bilateral carpal tunnel but managed with a little pain. The lunch prepared by Grandma afterwards was delicious. So flavorful and a good serving size. Dry fit clothing is highly recommended so that it can dry quickly. Also, if you wear glasses, I recommend bringing the glass string or something that can hold your glasses in the event they fall from your face. You will not be carrying anything in your hands so don't purchase a lot at the store when you make the stop. The waterfall rappelling and zipline tour is definitely one of the coolest and most fun adventures to experience when visiting Puerto Rico. My husband and I had already done this tour once, but we came back a second time because our 12-year-old daughter wanted to try it too, and she had an absolute blast. A huge shout out to our tour guides, Sally, Diego, and Sammy. They were incredibly friendly, funny, and made the entire experience even more enjoyable. To top it all off, we finished with a zipline ride and enjoyed a delicious homemade lunch prepared by Abuela. It was the perfect ending to an amazing adventure. Overall, it was a fantastic experience, and we'll definitely be booking another tour the next time we visit Puerto Rico. Highly recommend. This was such a fun experience. Diego was super friendly and he educated our group about the plants and nature of the forest. He made sure to prioritize safety when it came to ziplining and rappelling. I never once felt unsafe. The hike up was nice as well as they have rope lining the trail to assist you heading up. And after all the fun we had a delicious meal at the end with the best coconut flan. 10/10 would recommend. The hike is a great and fulfilling multi-terrain challenge, the ropes really help, the rappelling is thrilling and the coaching was kind and supportive and right on time, the ziplines were a perfect grand finale. Lunch at Abuela's was muy delicioso. Sally, Diego, and Sammy are truly outstanding guides and people, and take great care of you at all points on the adventure. Loved it all so much.